Hello. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Happy Wednesday times. Welcome in my stream, guys. How's it going? Welcome. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome, chat. Let's go. 20 minutes. We've got PPI data. And we are ready to trade. Morning, everyone. Let's go. Let's go ahead and share the video. Come on. Help me spread the message. $75,000 giveaways today. On the stream. Massive numbers. Here we are. $163,000 in the account. Nasdaq trading above 23,000, possibly going for the liquidity right there. That's what I think, guys. Possibly crossing that 33, 34. Good morning, Badger. Good morning, Elliot. Shivam. Welcome, guys. Morning. Hey, Twister. How you doing, guys? Make sure to like the video. Let's bring up the volume. Let's bring up the numbers. We are having an interesting moment. Real interesting moment. Touching supply level, resistance, quite sharp resistance. So wondering about whole picture. Look at that. We got some great numbers on the account. This is what I want to trade right now. We have $3,000 drawdown and we still need 4 points. So we have to do $2,000 by achieving 500 bucks daily. Welcome, Selena. Welcome, everyone. Hey. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. PPI data comes out today, expected on 0.2%, change in the price of finished goods and services sold by producers, excluding food and energy. I think we're going to have this on 0.1 or 0.2%. Let's go, guys. We're gaining momentum. This might not only be just a liquidity offload. A retracement back into 23,000s would be lovely. I'm not touching the markets right now. I'm still waiting a little. Hello, Lorenzo. Not touching the markets because I don't know what to do. We're basically in a short-term supply of the micro. Trading above everything that is pretty much significant. It's just a weekly volume weighted average price located on the 55, but we don't have other than that, anything that bothers us. There's a nice fail value grab starting on the 60s. It's a beautiful gap right there. We also have a nice gap higher, 165. We have more. We have a smaller one here, 125, but we have a bigger one, 137, all the way to 145. So I'm not expecting basically from the news to trigger a crash. But we'll have to say, of course, careful with the numbers. This is definitely not a financial advice. Good morning. Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. Thank you guys for joining. It's lovely. We're taking our time with a Ticktick Trader Cup, having our green tea as usually. Welcome, Andrew. Good morning. Hey. Gold sitting around 340s. Having a supply rejection on the 50s. 350s clearly delivering that. Look at it. Nvidia is wild. It's wild and crazy. Probably today it's going to break that 173. Hi, morning everyone, welcome. Market is looking great. With all the purchases we had below 23,000, right, in the previous 4-hour candlestick, guys. For the Nasdaq, look at that. So if I turn this thing off, you see the previous candlestick we had, it's certainly bullish. It's not going to be hard to cross that 2350s at all, and then liquidity builds all the way to the 200s. Bigger dumps are not coming from this kind of price sections on the 4 hours. A bigger dump could basically appear from the highs of the structures, right? So at least retest and have an equal level. And then you can basically form on top of that a lower high. So that you could lose a significant demand zone and things could actually trigger. But this way, we're not in that danger right now. Probably the markets are waiting for the liquidity coming in from the PPI from the market. Good evening. Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. Hey, make sure to like the video. Let's get those numbers up. Come on, guys. Like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. This is how you can participate. $75,000 on the table today for the giveaway. A lot of money. 2 giveaways.
Order filled.
That's a beautiful entry.
Order filled.
I'm testing it over here as well.
Order filled.
525 for my target. 555 actually. 36. For 36 I'm out. In this case scenario, I'm gonna let it a little higher on the 42. Come on. Give me that $555. It's gonna be another point. We're gonna have 7 points. That would be beautiful. Let's go, guys. Come on. Only have to do four times $500 each. With a $3,000 drawdown.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Bring it up, baby.
Order filled. Order filled.
We're also trading very, very near 200 EMA. So I think we're pretty much squeezed between 33 and a 200 EMA daily opening right there on the 19. We're probably going to range here till the news.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Trading on both Tap on Futures, Sim Pro accounts and Ticktick Trader, straight to funded plus accounts, the new accounts that they have with profit score and points. No consistency. Pretty exciting, pretty interesting, guys, when you have no consistency. It's a different model. We might get stopped out here, unfortunately. My stop loss might get stopped, might get hit quite soon. Did not expect it, this 4 candlesticks here.
Order filled.
And we got stopped out, unfortunately. We've lost $1,500 drawdown. We've only got 1,400 drawdown. Still have 6 points. We still have those 6 points. But this is not ideal. Moving on. You know, in this account it's different.
Order filled.
Because we have $12,000, $13,000 drawdown. 3 minutes to go till the news come out. This account's only have $400 drawdown that I'm about to connect right now, so only have $400 drawdown. Not in a favorable position there. Less than 3 minutes to go for the PPI news. Two minutes to go. Come on, bring me closer to my entry so I can get rid of my sizing deleverage from this situation. It's impossible to call it up or down. It's pure gambling, right? It's pure gambling right now. So on the $400 accounts, I'm gonna hit it hard. I'll try to catch 30-40 points on a nice size. One minute to go. Come on, bring me a little higher so I can decrease my size in a comfortable way. $30 seconds to go, guys. Come on. I've sold 5 contracts.
Order
5
filled.
more. 3
Order
more.
filled.
And I'm letting this one run. Sitting on 2 contracts long. I'm letting this one run, guys. Let's
Order
go.
filled.
Whoa! It exploded. We touched the target there. Beautiful. I like to trade over here as well. We have positive news as well for the market, looks like. We got some positive news for the markets. 0, guys. 0%. That's a flat inflation. Wow. That is extremely good. That is extremely good.
Order filled.
So let me see what can I do here where we have $400 drawdown only. Can I do something?
Order filled.
Can I increase that one? 570. It's not bad.
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on.
Order filled.
Can we
Order
do
filled.
something? No, we cannot. $500, $400 drawdown is not sufficient. But the most important part here is we got to that 453. We need a little more.
Order filled.
And we go for the second payout, guys. 4 accounts on tap on futures. It's not a good day on Ticktick Trader. We lost 1,500 on the accounts that are having 6 points. So we only have 1,500 left drawdown. And still 4 more points needed to be made. Which means I have to do $2,000 minimum without losing 1,500. Yeah, we're gonna do fireworks for reaching payout. We need 164, 800, 900s. Right, so we need some more here
Order filled.
for the payout. Because this is the second payout, guys. This is not the first cycle. This is the second cycle. Let's go. Come on. I'm out
Order
there.
filled.
821. That's beautiful, guys. 821 profit here. Let me do some fireworks. This is very important. We're just 2 days away or 1 day away from the payout on 4 accounts. Second cycle. Boom. There you go. Absolutely amazing. Have a look into the performance stats. This is the second cycle, guys. Keep in mind. Second cycle. Look at that. Look at that, guys. It's not bad at all. It's certainly not bad. I'm not going to trade on this anymore today. 821. That's enough. Enough is enough. Come on. $164,000. We have 14 grand to maximum loss limit. We need to make around $800 to $900 extra here. So another day like today, or 2 days of 400 or 500 each. We're fine. Thank you, guys. Make sure to like the video. Come on, guys. Bring up the numbers. BTC is having the usual volatility. Nothing special. Gold is preparing for the upside. Dollar is not enjoying that. Currency is definitely not enjoying that. It's taking a big dip. We have a flat core PPI inflation data. So there's no inflation. What they were fearing, it's not here. They were fearing, guys, big numbers because of tariffs. Looks like it's not coming. Very interesting, guys. So the major news of the week were very positive for the markets, for the stock market specifically. Very, very positive. I don't like, because I got to, I don't like this loss today. I certainly don't like this one. I don't like this one, guys. Should have managed to get that profit today. It would have been very important. It would have been day number 7, and we would have had a good drawdown. So now we got to do 2,000 with 1,500 max loss. It's not easy. It's definitely not easy. We need a day representing about $1,000. And we also have to make a little more because we need some buffer in the account. We're taking out 2,000. It's copy traded on 5. We're taking out 10,000. But we're taking out that 2,000, if we don't make at least 104, then nothing is going to be in the account. That's beautiful here with the accounts we got. 164. Everyone, make sure to join our Discord in order to participate in the giveaway. You have to be part of the Discord. Great community out here we're building. BTC back above 119. Probably today is going to rush through the 120s. Altcoins are probably going to get to the moon. Another breakout. Ethereum. It's an interesting price section. Let's go for a situation here of testing out a short. I think this is doable.
Order filled.
Without pulling the trigger for a large target, just about 7 points. We have seen what happened yesterday with a pump and dump. So a minor retracement could be in the cards today. Stop loss right above. And I'm out.
Order filled.
$988 profit. Beautiful, guys. We copy traded on 3 accounts. These are the instant funded accounts with end of the day drawdown $150,000 on top on futures. Beautiful. Where are the fireworks? Come on, let's bring up the energy. Top 1 futures has been non-stop profit today. Ticktick trader didn't win that well. It went on the wrong lane. But that's why we are diversifying and trading on multiple accounts, multiple prop firms. That's an interesting. Micros brought up. Interesting. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like the video. Come on. In order to join the giveaway, you gotta like the video, be part of the community on Discord, and be subscribed as well on my channel. Let's see what's happening on the Fed Watch. Rate probabilities, target probabilities, 97 for July's, but September has increased a lot. It's becoming more and more likely. The trend is more and more likely there's going to be another pause in September as well. And then possibly October and December, you're going to see cuts. Very interesting. July is like almost excluded.
Order filled.
Got into a little long here. And I'm
Order
out.
filled.
$500 profit. I'll take that. And I'll take the fireworks too. Copy trading it on 3 accounts. We brought this one to 1,500. Boom. That was beautiful, guys. That was a beautiful time. Still have 2 more accounts to trade here on Top 1 Futures. Let me just set them up for copy trading. Basically, we've got 9 accounts on Top 1 Futures, 7 out of 9 profit. Ticktick Trader, nothing was in profit today. 10 out of 10, we had minus. On 5, we only had $400 drawdown, and we've lost those. And the other 5, we touched the maximum daily loss, which is 1,500. We've got 6 points on those accounts as profit score, and we still have $1,500 max loss. So if we have 2 more good days, we're going to increase the chances significantly to get to the payout. But we definitely need those 2 more green days right now in a row, right, with minimum 500 each.
Order filled.
Getting into a little long here with a market order, all the way back into
filled.
that liquidity spot. If this candlestick holds, we can grab liquidity above 78 nicely. It's just that
Order
this
filled.
candlestick needs to hold. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video, especially for the giveaway participation. I would need this one above 75 so I can go break even. Keep pushing, come on. Set a limit order on 76, selling 2 contracts. 77, another 2 contracts. And I'm gonna leave the rest for the movement above 86. Come on. Good morning, welcome, hi. Numbers are not looking bad, especially for the top 1 futures. We've got big, beautiful profits. Big, beautiful profits. Come on, we're so close to the first limit order exit.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Not the maximum because it's 15 minis. Moving the stop loss to my entry. Come on, hit that limit order.
Order filled.
That has been hit as well. So we sold 4 contracts. Not the maximum because that's 15 minis, but I usually go quite deep in contracts, as you can see, especially before New York opens. It's a different market for me. I'm specialized in this market compared to the trading that happens after the opening. This is what I enjoy. So we secured that 330 and now we're putting break even with a target a little higher. The thing is, this is our Sim Pro account, so $440 plus what we've made is kind of the maximum I'm allowed to do. Let's go, guys, come on. I'm gonna be out here.
Filled.
I'll take that 582 totally. I'm fine with it. We could see a rejection back into the 65, which is why my stop loss would have been touched on break even. Better taking some profits. Look at that, exactly as we speak. No. It's refusing to go down. Let's go. Good trading. Welcome. Hey, good morning. Welcome. Let's go, guys. Like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord as usual. Let's bring up the numbers. Come on, guys, let's go. Good morning, Fernandez. Welcome, Trader07. Good morning, everyone. What a beautiful time out here, especially when you got all the accounts on tap on futures on profit. All of them. 6 accounts on SimPro and 3 instant funded. So that's 9 accounts hitting the targets. That's really good. Good morning. I'm going to trade some Ticktick Trader, some more Ticktick Trader. I do have some instant funding accounts, some old ones. Because we have fully traded the tap on futures ones, fully making profit. I'm not going to be greedy on all these things. This is also something very interesting, guys, which helps you not to be greedy. Let me tell you a good secret. When you have multiple accounts, it's easier not to be greedy. It's easier not to do that mistake of overtrading an account that has made you profit, you've hit your target, but sometimes you say, what if I make an extra couple $100s? What if I make an extra 300, 600 or whatever? What if? Now, if you have multiple accounts, you can do that, what if I make an extra money, on the other accounts, on their new accounts, right? On your multiple accounts. You don't have to touch the account that you've hit your target anymore, and you're not tempted to do that when you have multiple accounts. If you're only trading with 1, 2, or 3, then you have this disadvantage. You have to control yourselves much better, and you don't have this option to send all that greed energy into being productive at a lower risk without risking an account that hit its target. Think about it. Think about it this way. It's a very interesting concept I was thinking about. For example, we've got here 9 accounts. And I've hit my target on the first 4, which are also very close to the second payout. We're having $164,000. Look at that. These are the numbers we've got. But I could still say, well, what if I'm pushing a little more? Instead of making that 821, I could force it for, $1,000, $200 extra. But that's very risky, because if you start seeing losses, you are going to get tilted so much about it that you're willing to risk a lot more. You're oversizing, over-leveraging, revenge trading, no longer following your setups, and you're gonna lose a lot. So instead of trading on these accounts that are 4 connected, if I have other accounts, I'm gonna accept what I've made here, even though it's not that $1,000, it's 800, that's fine, and I'll move that $200 I'd like to make extra here into another account where the risks are not the same. So that's the significant advantage of dealing with multiple accounts. And the good part is, with Tap 1 Futures today, totally we can have 10 accounts. And with Ticktick Trader, we can totally have 13 accounts. So that's 23 accounts across Tap 1 Futures and Ticktick Trader. By the way, for those of you that would need links right there, you got a link for the Tap 1 Futures, and here's you have the link for the Ticktick Trader. Oops. That's the same for... Let me grab you the link for the Ticktick Trader. Here's the link for the Ticktick Trader. Maximum discount available with a code as usually. No activation fee for the funded accounts. No activation fee, just the price you see. But the Scramble coupon code gives you a bigger discount than what you see on Tap 1 Futures. Gives you extra discount. You can see that at checkout. It's 55 usually. Now it's not 55. Now it's they're listing at 40% right now. But with my code, you have it at 45%. The Sim Pro accounts at 45%. So instead of paying $389, let me verify, you're actually having the ability to get it at $356. That's $33 extra discount by utilizing the code Scramble. Let's verify that. Apply. $356 there. It's beautiful. And then the same thing on Ticktick Trader. Their new straight to funded plus accounts having a 65% off on bundle of 10, making it $245 per account if you're buying 10. Beautiful, guys. Code right there is Scramble as well. Hey, Francisco.
Order filled.
Testing out a little short here.
Order filled.
If we could see the markets back into the 62. Otherwise, I'm going to be out right there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Beautiful.
Order filled.
Adding more to this. Putting the stop loss right above the current candlestick. Let's go, guys. Come on. Six points needed. Morning everyone. Hey. Well, you would have to do, if you're buying the 150k accounts, moving the stop loss to my entry. So if you're buying the 150k accounts, then you can have a nice target sitting around $1,500 a day. You got to make basically 6% of the account. 6%. That's the target. 6%. Let's go, guys. Keep dropping.
Order filled.
Beautiful. The target has been hit. $1,845. Let's go. Boom. There you go. There you go. That's a lovely target. The Sim Pro accounts. On a big roll today. With the Sim Pro accounts, you have 20% equity stability score. You want to watch my last video that I posted about with equity stability score hacked. You want to watch that video and you will see the numbers. We got some interesting stats here on this account. Not in the best shape, that's right. Not looking too good. We're still 1,200 below the initial balance. But we have 4,500 with the max loss, so... this account is... yeah, you want to check that video, guys, with equity stability score hacked, in terms of we have ways to eliminate the risk as much as possible and concentrate on the most optimized hotspot. You want to see that video, guys, with the top on futures. Actually, let me bring it up for you. So I do my technical analysis prior to stream on HDF. High time frame candlestick technical analysis prior to the stream. Then during the stream we go into the LTF, low time frame. Technical analysis on the charts, which is consisting quite numerous things. Here's the video link, guys. And then on the charts we also utilize basically the volume weighted average prices of the day, of the week, of the month, of 12 months, daily, opening, weekly, monthly, EMAs as well. So pretty much traditional classic things. And then on top of that we go for the liquidity. We know the theory of trading, which we know where is that liquidity exists in. We know basically where the market has to go basically for the liquidity to be erased, and so on. And then on the 1 minute, which is happening on Project X, always on the page of the Project X for the prop firm, on the 1 minute, we do the execution. This is the place where we decide, where we see momentum in a direction, we go with that momentum on a large contract level. And I'm happy with 6-7 points basically. I don't need more than 6-7 points. Usually this 6-7 points are sufficient for my targets to be achieved. You see, in this specific trade, we've made 1,845. We've DC'd at the right time. We've been controlling the trade. We've been playing the invalidation with a stop loss, going break even quite quickly, adjusting things in the right direction, and we're going with the momentum down. A pre-analysis is a long story. It's a really long story. And besides these things, guys, I'm going to talk about my pre-market analysis as well during the next streams, but also during our trading, we got to consider what's happening with the economy. Morning, welcome everyone. Hey, New Jersey. Beautiful. Usually I'm risking, depending on the account, because we have accounts where I'm risking 1,500. For example, on Ticktick Traders, Trade to Funded Plus, we're risking 1,500. But on the other accounts that are sim funded, we're risking a little more, around the 2,000, 2,500. I'm fine with that. For example, here, let me share with you the stats on this account. This is, copy traded on 4. This ones, which are very close to the payout, we have 164 grand. Right, so if we look into this accounts, they are the second cycle right now. We've been accepting profits that are, we've made, for example, yesterday $523 in 2 trades. Usually I'm going 6, 7, 8 contracts, 9 contracts, minimum 5 contracts in a trade for me. Minimum 5, and going with small momentum. Sometimes I even exit after 4 or 5 points. Number one priority for me is to trade before the New York market opens, which are type of markets that I trade much better. And then, even this, we got to consider that I go break even as quickly as possible. So I accept basically getting break even touched 5 times in a row. It's not going to bother me, as long as I know the number one priority is accomplished, and that is to not lose. So when we speak about highly important accounts like this one, where we are usually executing the trades once the stream begins, I'm giving all my energy into, let's say, the best accounts, the closest to the payout. The main focus is working, no losses. So Shaggy, if your best day is 600, yes, you qualify. You qualify for the payout if you have no losses and your best day is 600. You qualify for the payout, yes. It's like consistency. Welcome everyone, good morning. Make sure to like the video, guys. That's why I've talked to you in the video. If the equity stability score is not receiving a loss, if you don't have a loss, then you're so if you don't have a loss, you are basically going exactly just like it would be a consistency. You have a 150k elite challenge. Is it already funded or you're still in the challenge phase? I don't know what's that. Shaggy, no idea what's that. I'm not gonna lie to you. Enjoy your day, everyone. Thank you guys for watching. Big numbers on board. Profits pretty much everywhere. Back and forth. We need around $800 to $900 here, and we go for the second payout, and this is happening on 4 different accounts. We're copy trading that. Absolutely lovely to go ahead and request a payout. 3,500 times 4 is actually 14 grand, but you're getting 3,150, right? 3,150 times 4 is exactly what we got. 12,600. So from this account, we would actually get about $25,000. It's not bad. Let me tell you, that's not bad. That's great. I'm going to tell you in English. Alright, so the challenge accounts. What's happening with the challenge accounts? It's something I'm not really trading. We're already, we're pushing funded accounts for a lot of the reason. Interesting. So what we suggest here basically is that $1,800 mark. Do not make more than $1,800. Andrew, $1,800 should be the maximum in a day. Ninja and Rhythmic. Project X is better, Hawk. Not changing rules. It was a promotion. They had a promotion offering 9 accounts. They said it. It's just during the promotion. When the promotion expires, it goes back to 7. They said it. I also said it to my community in the messages that I talk. It works flawlessly. It works very good, guys. Very, very good. Never had an issue. Never needed to reach out support with their copy trader. Never had a complaint. Never had a disappointment with Project X copy trader. And I've been here already for a few months, every single day on live. You can pass your challenge in a day, that's right. But that is a $9,000 target, which is difficult, right? You can link. I just talked about it on my Discord, Castillo. I've updated my community about it. Let me share with you. You can already link your Quant Tower. Where is the post? Here. Here's the post, guys. You can link your Quant Tower, Castillo. Here is it. That's the post. This is the place I'm talking about. Here you have the instructions on how to link your Project X to Quant Tower. You can already do that. They updated this on 14th July. Right, 2 days ago. So 14 minutes to go and we've got the opening. Thank you, guys. I mean, it doesn't bother me if it's intraday. Look at that. This account is built on intraday, guys. This whole account here, and this is not the first cycle what I'm trading. This is the second cycle. You know that you don't have a drawdown following you anymore in the second cycle. You only have that intraday following you on the first cycle. That's it. So basically on the second cycle, the account becomes just like the end of the day. I think we're going to the upside. Yeah, you gotta get through the first cycle. And it's 292, there is a huge gap. Do the math. You're actually getting paid 3,150. How many accounts can you lose and still be profitable? What's your edge? 3,150 divided to 292. It's not 292 today because, you know, the promotion has changed, but it's going to be 292 very soon. So you have an edge with 292 of almost 11 times. Almost 11 accounts. With 10 accounts, you're in profit. So if you do one payout request at every 10 accounts, you're still in profit. And that's crazy, guys. I mean, think about it. If you have 20% confirmation score, like confirmation score payout, reaching payout 20% out of the accounts you're buying. You're buying 100 accounts, you're getting payout to 20 accounts. Those 20 times 3,150 is $63,000, right? So you got 63 grand. And you bought 100. 100 times 292 is $29,000. Again, you got 63 and you paid 29. You bought 100 accounts and you got to a payout with 20. That's a 20% rate. And you can increase this chance by not copy trading. If you're copy trading, then of course, when you lose more. So you need a better rate. If you're not copy trading and trying to trade 4 or 5 accounts, you know, I mean, honestly, even not copy trading is difficult. Like, I can see it right now. I do have many groups of accounts and I need to trade so many accounts back and forth. So at the end of the day, and I've said it in the last stream as well, I would actually prefer a little more copy trading, but still, I have to control the risk. By splitting the accounts in multiple groups, I am pretty much controlling the risk. And I think that's the right choice. Even if you have to be trading 6 different groups daily, obviously you're not going to get 6 out of 6 daily. You're not going to get that. You're going to have one of those groups most of the time in minus. Because think about, a group could consist 2 accounts or 3 accounts or 4 accounts. It doesn't matter, right? A group. And you're doing 2 or 3 trades to get your target. So you're doing 3 trades for a group and you have 6 groups. It means 18 trades. Out of 18 trades, I guarantee you have a few in a loss every day. But the good part is that majority of your accounts are building, constructing, right? And that's where you make the money on the long run. So you shouldn't be scared if you're down today, 3,000, 5,000, 8,000. I've been down that money. I've been down on the stream, right? So I was definitely not ashamed. It's definitely not a problem. I've been down $8,000 in buying accounts. I've been down with that at some point, but we got 13 grand payout a couple of weeks ago. And we kind of brought it to a nice level. So I'm preparing for another payout here with 164 on the table. And I'm quite happy with that one too. And I'm going to go for another one. Of course, we're having a lot of... Think about it, guys. We're having 164. We still need to do 900. So we're going to be near to 165. And then we're going to take out 3,500. So we're going to still have more than $10,000 drawdown. And that's madness. More $3,000 drawdown. 10,000, sorry. Oh my gosh. The good part about Ticktick Trader is you can do microscoping without issues. Think about it. By the way, make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. We got big money made pretty much everywhere. There's a few accounts that we messed up. Pretty much normal. But the idea is all the accounts on Top 1 Futures got to a great level. So I'm pretty happy. Seven minutes to go. The opening is going to send us nicely. Daily, yesterday daily, we were up 135. That's a good target. Hey, how's it going, buddy? Max profits pretty much everywhere. Let's go. 164. Morning, Gunner. Hey. Enjoying Ticktick Trader as well. 1,845. And here's the cup. There you go. The blue cup for the green numbers for the green outcome. No, I don't have a video about that one. Most of the time I talk about it on the stream, Tom. On the stream. Pretty nice cup, yep. So the current promotion is going to end this week. And probably the new promotion is going to be on the bigger discount. They have not confirmed that to me. What's going to be the next promotion value. But usually they do it this way. Bigger, smaller, increase, decrease, right? So they're moving in between, increasing, decreasing discount rates. Now we have a decreased discount rate and an increased price. So what's going to come next? It's not going to be another increase. It's going to be a decrease in the price and an increase in the discount. Yeah, well, Tom, it's not really the same. It's definitely not really the same. I have a lot of experience in the markets. I've been trading full-time crypto since 2014. Not as a day trader, but as a swing trader. Swing trader and investor. 2014 till 2025 is 11 years. So I've been looking at the charts for 11 years, guys. It's just that I have not done day trading since futures with Nasdaq. So I've not been doing day trading on the crypto at all. No. And I just started day trading for 6-7 months. Maybe even less, 5 months. Yeah, the knowledge from swing trading, I'm trying to move it nicely, tweaking it into the day trading aspect. And it's working, right? So the last month, we were trading a lot better. In June and July, we were trading tremendously better than what happened before. Successfully shifting and adjusting the knowledge from the swing trading world into the day trading side. The first time I bought Bitcoin was under $500. It was below 500 bucks. Obviously, I sold most of it. Obviously, right? If is there a way to use Project X in combination with personal resources? That's a difficult question. You know, I enjoy Tasty Trades platform. Tasty Trades platform. Cannot retire all of you guys, but I am very close to that in terms of my whole family and myself. You know, it makes no sense to liquidate my positions. BTC is gonna go in 5-10 years to 300-400 grand, right? So BTC is going to have minimum 30% of the gold market cap. A lot of the people say it's gonna get to half of the gold market cap, which is about 20 trillion. So 10 trillion market cap Bitcoin means above $400,000 per Bitcoin. Could take 10 years from here to be that one, but that's not a problem at all, right? I'm in Hungary, in the center of Europe, in Budapest. We've got less than a minute to go and the market opens. You know, they're good projects. In terms of being as Solana, I don't know, they're missing that level of adoption to be on the same page with Solana, right? So they're missing that level of acceptance, because this is what the cryptos are needing, a level of acceptance that is high. Trust and acceptance. 10 seconds to go and we get the bell ringing. Here we are. Good luck, everyone. Let me do some trading, for example, here. I'm gonna do some trading here.
Order filled. Order filled.
390. $390 by doing some scalping. Hey, Lorenzo. Good to see you, buddy. Giveaway starts soon. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on, let's bring up the numbers. Like the video, be subscribed, join Discord. Follow the same steps. Come on. Let's go, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
Target has been touched, 800 bucks. It might drop. We made 800 bucks on the opening.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Beautiful. $200 made right there. We've got to 1,000 made on the opening. I've been already longing it, right?
Order filled. Order filled.
Beautiful. Another trade. So look at the trades we've managed to do on the opening. These are the ones. And one more right there. The 405 is the first one. You can see it by the time. $1,120.
Order filled.
Let's see if I can catch another scalp here.
Order
I'm out.
filled.
1,315. Fast finger.
Order filled.
One more time, 2 contracts. I'm
Order
out.
filled.
1,395. This can go all the way back to the opening time on the 75. Let's pull it back.
Order filled.
Got into a contract here.
Order filled.
DCA'd right now. We're getting into the daily VWAP.
Order filled.
Added to this. We're DCAing, but we're DCing against the trend. Not in a bad spot. You know, I have not accepted a loss here. Been stubborn. Problem is this could easily slide further.
Order filled.
Adding more to this right now? Come on.
Order filled.
No. Pretty dangerous. But we have tons of support there, guys. And I would be happy with another $500. We've got tons of support here existing. Daily opening, VWAP. So it kind of makes sense to see a reaction from the bulls giving us 5, 7, 8, 10 points, right? Come on. I'm out.
Order filled.
And I didn't even have time to exit manually. My target has been touched, 1,870. I was clearly expecting this candlestick to be a fake one and the market is being brought up all the way back to that level. That's why I kind of longed here. Was kind of already looking for a rejection a little earlier, so I've been DCAing instead of exiting, right? Let's go for the fire. Come on. Fire up the show. That's a beautiful one. What a lovely time. Altcoins are running, guys. Gold is dropping. S&P is going to climb today above 270s. That's a good target to be above today. You know, I'm longing this
Order
once again
filled.
from the same level.
Order filled.
2 contracts.
Order filled.
3 contracts with DC8. I don't think they're gonna let this die. We'll see. It's risky. There's always a risk involved, right? I'm
Order
out.
filled.
We made something.
Order filled. Order filled.
Jumping back in a trade. Bringing it all the way into the 72. Let's go for this one, guys. That should be a nice winner. All the way into 72.
Order filled.
Adding more to this. Stop loss on my entry. Break even. We've got already $500. I'm
Order
out.
filled.
We've collected $700. And that's enough, guys. That's enough because otherwise I'm gonna mess up my consistency. If it comes back, I'm gonna rebuy, let me tell you and be honest with you.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm out. That's fine. So let's have a look at the trades that we managed to do. All the flippings that we did. All the micro scalping, guys, have a look into that. This is all the micro scalping. I think there is one more of $400 profit, which is on the second page. But you know, we can look at those numbers. We only have $25 loss and 130 loss. And then on top of that, you know, everything should be 2,765 because we started to trade this. This account has only been traded on the opening and since the opening, so we definitely have more than what we see. We definitely have more trades on the second page. That's lovely. Thank you, guys. That's enough here. Time to run the energy. Come on. Time to run the energy. Time to change the environment. We had beautiful numbers today. Time to celebrate. Time to go ahead with 2 giveaways. Are you guys ready? Come on. 2 giveaways scheduled. This is the first one. The first one is Top 1 Futures. 25,000. Instant funded with end of the day drawdown. This is the first one. You have to listen how to participate. 1. Like the video. 2. Be subscribed. 3. Join my Discord. Where's the Discord link? Here you go. These are the 3 things you have to do in order to participate, guys. Beautiful. Now, other things you gotta know. Do not guess multiple times, only one guess per person. Do not guess for multiple accounts. We're gonna find you out and you're going to be banned. Beautiful, guys. So let's go. Let's get started. Come on, start. Show me the numbers. Stop. We had a stop right there coming in quite quickly. No numbers will be accepted below the start. Below the stop, right? So between start and stop only. You gotta be quick, guys. You gotta be quick. Between the start and the stop, no numbers will be accepted below that. This is the first giveaway. We're going to have the second giveaway coming out soon. I'm going to shuffle. Good luck, everyone. Is that going to be a number 3? No, that's going to be a yellow number 1. Yellow number 1, guys. I told you. Congratulations to all the winners qualifying for the second round. Let's go for the tuck race. Badger is helping us with a list. 40 winners. That's quite a lot. You guys are going to compete for 1 minute. Shuffle the characters. Good luck, guys. Good luck, chat. $30 seconds. Dark magic. I'm not getting your question, Simon. It's not banned here. 8 seconds, 7 seconds to go. Who's going to take the lead? Let's see, guys. Come on. 4 seconds. Where are your ducks, guys? Claudio, number 21, is the winner today for the $25,000 Tap 1 Futures SIM funded account. 25 grand, Claudio, for you. Congratulations, buddy. Let's go. Getting ready for the second giveaway. Come on, guys, for the second giveaway. Getting ready. What's happening in the markets? They're pretty much wild. But that's it. We're surviving about 23,000s. Let's get ready for the second giveaway, fellas. Start. Come on. Let's get started. Let me know your numbers. You're ready. Keep going. Keep going, guys. Get ready with your numbers. Stop. It's over. Let's shuffle. And good luck, chat, for the second round. This is a $50,000 straight to funded plus account for the Ticktick trader. Good luck, everyone. That's going to be a number 3 blue. What do you guys think about? Are we going to touch that? Number 3 blue? No, we went to number 1 once again. Number 1 once again. Wow. Wow. Number 1 once again. $30 winners. 30 winners are advancing to the second round. For the duck race, you guys are going to compete for 1 minute. Let's shuffle them. And good luck, everyone. This is a $50,000 account. 50,000 Ticktick trader straight to funded plus funded account. It's an instant funding account. Let's go. Come on. $20 seconds to go. And we got the closing bell. Nasdaq is below 23,000. So who's going to take the lead here? 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Banu Lovdi. There you go. We've got the winner with number 28 right there. Congratulations. Ho. You got to the winner's side. Beautiful. Congratulations. $50,000 Ticktick trader account. Straight to funded plus. Great job. Beautiful. Congrats, guys. Thank you so much for watching. It's been my pleasure today. We've got 2 giveaways. And we've got some great trading going on. Huge numbers out there for the top 1 futures. Huge numbers on the other side there. Let's go. Thank you so much, guys. Have a blissful time. We're looking forward to it. Careful while you're trading. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow.